Good evening. I'm Swastika Panda from OdishaTV.in bringing you today's news from Odisha. First, the headlines. Union Minister Dharmendra Pradhan blames state government for delay in POSCO project, says it should have recommended mines 2 years ago. CM OK's Higher Education Department's proposal of running vocational courses for Plus 2 and Plus 3 students from this year. Commissionerate Police nabs auto driver suspected to be involved in the murder of a social campaigner in Bhubaneswar. Man throws pregnant wife off moving train near Koraput over petty issue. Woman delivers dead baby on the track. And heat wave continues to sweep the state as mercury still hovers above 45 degrees Celsius at many places. State government claims 4 sunstroke deaths. Now the details. Union Petroleum and Natural Gas Minister Dharmendra Pradhan and the ruling BJD in the state are engaged in a war of words over the POSCO project. Pradhan blamed the state government for the delay in setting up the project and recommending mines in favor of the South Korean steel major. Addressing the media yesterday to mark the Narendra Modi government completing a year in office at the centre, he said the state government has sent its recommendation for the mines just 3 days before the Mines and Minerals Development and Regulation Ordinance was issued, which mandates auction of mines across the country. He wondered why Navin government did not recommend the mines 2 years earlier. On the other hand, reacting to the charges, BJD spokesperson Pratap Deb claimed that the state government had written many letters to the centre on allocating mines to POSCO much before the issuance of the ordinance. The Union Minister's statement came a day after Steel and Mines Minister Prafulla Malik blamed the centre for not allocating mines for the Rs 52,000 crore project in Jagatsinghpur district. Pradhan also alleged that the state did not renew the Memorandum of Understanding with POSCO India due to internal bickerings in the BJD. Asserting that BJP was in favor of the POSCO project, the Petroleum Minister said the centre is ready to provide all help to the state to materialize the project as per the rules. As for the uncertainty over the establishment of IIM Odisha, he said that the state government should not indulge in politics over finalizing its location.
आपण MMRD Act आसीबार 3 दिन पूर्व आपण पठेले जेतले एक्ट रे पब्लिक डोमेन रे चर्चा है सार थिला जे नीलामी हबो जे तुमे जानि थिला नीलाम हबो 2005 रू में सोइथिलो तुम दल भितर विवाद तुटी नाला जे आमको सी बाबू हेबे ना सी बाबू करे तुम्हें तुटे पार्लनी एमओयू भी रिन्यू करलनी तुम ओडिशा रे तो सब बहुत बड़ा पारंगम सरकार अच्छी सब कथा चिठी लिखा जाए तुम चिठीटा टिके आ 2 वर्ष आगु लिखिलनी बाहर के 15 रे एमएमडीआर एक्ट ऑर्डिनेंस हैला आमे ताकू देलु 1/11/14 रे आमे सुपारिश करथिलु केंद्र सरकार माइनी देबा पई मो करिया पई ता उसको कहैछि से जो कथा देइतला मधुर आमे ता जो बसिकरी आपनकर आलोचना हेता से अनुसार आमे से कार्यक्रम करिया पई से कहउछि खणी कथा पे सुपारिश करे कथा आमे खणी कथा को सुपारिश हम ठिकार करिछु ते तांको दल भितर विवाद थाई पारे आम दल भितर किछि विवाद नाही.
Chief Minister Navin Patnaik has approved a proposal from Higher Education Department for introduction of vocational courses in Plus 2 and Plus 3 levels from this academic year. All government-run as well as private colleges will offer the courses from 2015-16. As per the decision, the Council of Higher Secondary Education CHSE and all the universities in the state will conduct examinations of the subjects and award certificates to qualifying students. At Plus 2 level, 12 vocational courses are included, whereas 10 such courses will be taught at Plus 3 level. Students can take these subjects as elective ones. The courses which will be introduced at Plus 2 level include Tourism and Travel Management, Fashion Technology, Printing Technology, Information Technology and Horticulture. Similarly, Food Processing, Modern Office Management, Financial Literacy and Banking, Travel and Tourism will be introduced at Plus 3 level. The government hopes that these courses will help students become independent and increase their employability.
साधारण पाठ पढ़ा सहित पिला मानकर एम्प्लयबिलिटी पोटेंशियल को बढ़ावा माननीय मुख्यमंत्री धंदामूल शिक्षा को गुरुत्व देइछन्ति आ वर्तमान 2015-16 शिक्षा वर्ष रु प्लस 2 रे 12टी सब्जेक्ट रे धंदामूलक शिक्षा आरंभ करा जिवो ता सहित प्लस 3 रे 10टी सब्जेक्ट रे धंदामूलक शिक्षा आरंभ करा जिवो जो द्वारा कि छात्र छात्री मानकर पाठ पढ़ा सहित एम्प्लयबिलिटी स्किल भी बढ़िबो स्किल डेवलपमेंट भी ग्रोथ करिवो.
Commissionerate Police nabbed an auto rickshaw driver from Nimapada of Puri district yesterday on the suspicion of his involvement in the murder of social campaigner Nalini Prabhadas. The driver had become incommunicado after the 62-year-old woman's body was found in her house at New Forest Park under AFL police limits in Bhubaneswar on May 23rd evening. As per the latest report, the questioning of the auto driver is going on. Source said some ornaments including a necklace and 2 rings of Das were missing. Police suspect that her mobile phone, which was also missing, might have been taken away by the assailant. However, the police are yet to make a major breakthrough in the case. Shankaracharya of Govardhan Peeth, Nishalananda Saraswati, has given his consent to attend this year's car festival. This was informed by Puri King Gajapati Dibya Singh Dev, who called on the seer yesterday. Talking to media, the Puri Royal said the Shankaracharya has accepted the invitation to attend the ensuing car festival and agreed to have darshan of the deities atop the chariot along with 6 of his disciples. The seer's consent assumes significance as he had broken the time-honored practice of paying obeisance to the Trinity atop the chariots last year due to the restrictions imposed by the temple administration. The restriction was fallout of alleged misconduct by the servitors atop the chariots with the devotees. Last year, in its invitation to the Shankaracharya, the temple administration had asked him to have darshan of the deities atop the chariots accompanied either by 2 disciples or 2 followers. Later, another formal invitation was sent to the seer inviting him alone. Insulted by the administration's action, the Shankaracharya had refrained from having darshan of the deities atop the chariots.
श्रीमंदिर परंपरा रे से गुरुस्थान रे अछंती जहाँ रेकर्ड ऑफ राइट्स रे मध्य उल्लेख अच्छी तेणु से जो दर्शन स्थल जीवे उपयुक्त व्यवस्था विधि अनुसार जीवा उचित हम तेणु गोवर्धन पीठ ऑफिस रु आमर चिठी आसला जे गुरुजी सहित 6 जन शिष्य साधक जीवे।
आदेश पत्र भेजा गया, बार बार गणपति जी ने आदेश शब्द का प्रयोग किया, उन्होंने मर्यादित ढंग से इस शब्द का प्रयोग किया। तो हमारी भावना के अनुसार हम स्नान पूर्णिमा के दिन सम्मिलित होंगे। रथ यात्रा के दिन सम्मिलित होने का हमारा भाव तो पहले भी था, आज भी है।
Crossing all limits of brutality, a man allegedly threw his pregnant wife from a moving train at Rauli railway station in Koraput, leaving the to-be-born baby dead. According to reports, the couple, identified as Surak and Sarojini Kerketa from Rourkela, was returning from their relative's place in Koraput. During the journey, when Surak started talking to another woman, Sarojini confronted him and an altercation ensued. In a fit of rage, Surak pushed her out of the train. The profusely bleeding woman fell down on the tracks and was taken to a hospital in Raigada by railway police. However, the doctors declared the yet-to-be-born baby dead. The woman, who suffered multiple injuries, is being treated at the Raigada district hospital. Meanwhile, the police have launched a manhunt to nab the accused, who is still at large.
ମୁଁ କହିଲି କୋଉ ଝିଅ ସହ କଥା ହେଉଥିଲା ମୁଁ ପଚାରିଲି କୋଉ ଝିଅ ସହ କଥା ହେଉଛି ତ କହିଲି ସେ କହିଲା ଯୋଉ ଝିଅ ସହ ବି କଥା ହେଉଛି ତୋର କ'ଣଟେ ଯାଉଛି ଆଉ ମୋତେ ଗେଟ୍ ପାଖକୁ ଡାକିଲା ଆଉ ଠେଲିଦେଲା ଟ୍ରେନ୍ରୁ ଠେଲିଦେଲା ପରେ ମୁଁ କିଛି ହୋସ୍ ନଥିଲା ଯେଉଁ ରେଲୱେ ପଟରେ କାମ କରନ୍ତି ସେ ଭାଇମାନେ ଦେଖିଲେ ପରେ ମୋତେ ପଚାରିଲେ କ'ଣ ହେଲା भाई वो ट्रेन पड़ जाए से मत पानी टिके दिया कहते पानी देले
से लेडी रो ओटे फीमर फ्रैक्चर हे छै ता सहित भीतर एक्सेसिव ब्लीडिंग हे छै टिके एनीमिक अछि लेडीटा आ वर्तमान ताकर अवस्था टिके स्थिर अछि तथापि ट्रीटमेंट चली छै।
Soliciting bribe in closed door is a common phenomenon, but think about government officials accepting bribes openly in the presence of about 100 villagers. The incident took place in Kakatpur region of Puri district. The revenue inspector of the region was caught on camera while accepting bribes to disburse the compensation checks to 88 flood-affected betel vine growers of the area. 2 other junior officials were also seen along with him, collecting the money from the poor farmers who had come to collect their checks. When the officials came to know about their act already caught on camera, they started returning the collected money to the farmers. When asked about the incident, the revenue inspector Benudhar Das preferred to keep mum. However, Puri collector Arvind Agrawal has said stern action will be taken against the erring officials.
समस्त लोक अभियोग कर से लोक केते टंका लोक शेष
457 In a ghastly incident, a couple was murdered inhumanly in Bandhabali village under Chiplima police limits of Sambalpur district. The deceased were identified as Chittaranjan Naik and his wife Pushpanjali. Police recovered bodies of the childless couple in a pool of blood yesterday after breaking the door of the room where the duo was staying. Source said the room was locked from outside and the delay in opening the door caused suspicion among the villagers yesterday morning, who informed the police. Primary investigation shows more than 2 people were involved in the double murder, said sources at police office. Further, he added the probe is going on with the help from scientific team and sniffer dogs.
तांगर अगणार कबाट भांकी देखला भीतर तांगर घर अगणा भीतर भीतर अगणा भीतर दुटा खटिया पड़िछि रक्त जुड़बुड़ होइछि आ रक्त सुखी जाइछि किंतु रक्त माने खटिया पाखरु घोसरा रक्त दाग पड़िछि घर किंतु ताला पड़िछि तापर संदेह करी घर ताला भांकी देखला भीतर घरे उभय चित्तरंजन नायक एवं तांकर पुष्पांजलि नायक मृतदेह क्षत विक्षत अवस्था रक्त जुड़बुड़ अर्धलग्न अवस्था पड़ी यही स्टेज बर्तमान डॉग स्क्वाड आम साइंटिफिक टीम तो प्रेजेंट अच्छी डॉग स्क्वाड भी यूटिलाइज होती अन्य आनुषंगिक पदक्षेप बाहर ताला पड़ता घरे भी शव को लुचि रखा जाए इन द सेंस माने डिसअपियरेंस ऑफ एविडेंस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू घर भीतर पूरे माने एटलिस्ट एमती किसी दिन पार हो खोलताड़ न करती किंतु डेफिनेटली जना पड़ी इज मर्डर फॉर गेन जेहेतु डेड बॉडी दुटा अच्छी जदि जड़े आस मर्डर करा जन को मर्डर कला अन्य जन तो आवाज कर ना तेणुक मोर देन 2.
There was little reprieve from the searing heat yesterday in the state, even as 4 persons died due to sunstroke so far. Titlagarh recorded season's highest at 47.6 degrees Celsius, and 6 districts in the region recorded maximums above 46 degrees Celsius. Mercury in Bhubaneswar settled at 39.8 degree as against 45.4 degrees Celsius yesterday. Temperatures in most of the coastal regions were measured below 40 degrees Celsius, but high humidity troubled the residents. Met Office said the relative humidity in Bhubaneswar was 91%. Hirakud recorded 46.6, Sambalpur 46.4, Jharsuguda and Belangir 46 degrees Celsius each, Bhavani Patna 45.7 and Sonpur 45.2. Sundargarh recorded 44.5 degree, while Talcher had a high of 42.2 degree. Meanwhile, Special Relief Commissioner's Office said there was no change in the sunstroke casualty figure even as the Revenue Department received reports of 67 death cases, allegedly due to heat-related incidents. The Met Office predicted heat wave conditions will prevail over the interior parts of the state, while thunder showers and hailstorm may occur at some places in the coastal region. Regional Meteorological Director Sarat Chandra Sahu said the heat wave-like condition would prevail in the state up to May 31st.
अंशुघात विषय रे जहाँ पदक्षेप नेबा कथा लोक मानकर जहाँ प्रिकॉशंस जो नेबा कथा से विषय रे मध्य आलोचना हिची 4 जन मृत्युवरण करिसेंती सनस्ट्रोक कारणे बोलकरी फील्ड लेवल रो कंफर्मेशन आछि 32 केस रे इंक्वायरी वर्तमान चलिछि.
A food commissioner will be appointed in the state as per the National Food Security Act. The decision was taken at a meeting chaired by Chief Minister Navin Patnaik pertaining to review a feasibility of the act in the state. Besides, it was decided that additional district magistrate rank officers will be appointed as DGRO at the district level. The Chief Minister also directed the Food and Supplies Department to include eligible beneficiaries in its list and delete the names of persons who do not fulfill the criteria of eligibility. The centre has directed Odisha to implement the act in the state from October this year.
माननीय मुख्यमंत्री गुरुत्व देइछंती केंद्र सरकार जो सेप्टेम्बर 30 रखिछंती यार्डस्टिक से समय सीमा भितर किभली भाव में खाद्य सुरक्षा आईन राज्य में कार्यकारी हम से संपर्क में गुरुत्व रखिंट एवं अत्यंत स्पष्ट भाव में कहते ओडिशार कौन योग्य हिताधिकारी किभଳି भाବରେ खाद्य सुरक्षा आईन रु बाद न पड़े सेप्रति विभाग संपूर्ण भाव भिजिलांट रहू एवं कौनसी अयोग्य हिताधिकारी किभଳି भाବରେ न पाती से सिस्टम को पूरा फुल प्रूफ करा जाऊ एवं वर्तमान डिजिटाइजेशन कार्य जेहेतु शेष पर्यायर पहुंची ताको किभଳି भाବରେ जो टाइम लेंथ दिया जायछि खाद्य सुरक्षा आईन की कार्यकारी करने से समय सीमा जो भाई भाव अतिक्रम न करे से विभाग दृष्टि दौ एवं ठीक समय ओडिशार हिताधिकारी पाखे डिजिटाइज कार्ड पहुंचू.
One was burnt alive and 2 houses were gutted in fire in Sultanpur village under Mahanga block of Cuttack district. The deceased was identified as Parshuram Biswal, who was engulfed in the blaze as he was suffering from paralysis. The reason behind the spread of fire are not known. Kendrapada MP Baijayant Panda visited the affected families to express solidarity and assured full support to them. Before wrapping up the headlines once again, Union Minister Dharmendra Pradhan blamed state government for delay in POSCO project, says it should have recommended mines 2 years ago. CM OK's Higher Education Department's proposal of running vocational courses for +2 and +3 students from this year. Commissionerate Police nabs auto driver suspected to be involved in the murder of a social campaigner in Bhubaneswar. Man throws pregnant wife off moving train near Koraput over petty issue. Woman delivers dead baby on the track. And heat wave continues to sweep the state as mercury still hovers above 45 degrees Celsius at many places. State government claims 4 sunstroke deaths. Thank you for watching. Good night.